Mga kapatid, kakatapos lang po ng ating second game ng Gilas Pilipinas kung saan natalo ang Gilas sa Tall Blacks. Alam natin na masakit siya para sa lahat ng mga Filipino na nanood na sumuporta sa Gilas Pilipinas. Lumaban, subalit nagkulang nga po. Pero ito yung maganda Tingnan natin yung dami ng mga fans na hanggang ngayon sumusuporta pa rin sa Gilas Pilipinas. What a scene dito sa Mall of Asia Arena na talagang hanggang sa dulo, hanggang alas 12 na ng gabi, lumalaban pa rin sila.
Na-outplay talaga kami at saka na-outas
Yan talaga yung game So, natalo kami, nakakalungkot man. Pero, ayun, proud pa rin kami sa sarili namin, sa team. Kasi, ayun, binigay namin lahat So, kapos na
There's nothing else to be said. It was just silence. Everybody was silent. You know, there's some tears being shed, but at the same time, you know, you got to keep pushing, keep moving forward.
Sobrang lungkot, pero siyempre nilagay ko na lang sa isip ko na yung mga pagkakamali ko, yung mga dapat kong natutunan, yun ang mas magpapagaling sa akin tsaka mas magpapatibay ng loob ko.
It's a great experience and proud to represent the Philippines.
Sobrang solid talaga yun, support ng mga Pilipino sa Gilas Pilipinas. So, the best kayo.
Sa tingin ko hanggat nandyan yung mga sumusuporta, yung mga kababayan natin, yung management, yung SBP, tsaka yung gobyerno. Sa tingin ko ang Gilas yung good hands pa rin Tuloy lang yung programa, gumawa ng paraan, at sa tingin ko mas mag-i-improve pa yan.
This program has made so much progress. I mean, from the FIBA Asia 2013 and playing in the World Cup to a few years later, we're hosting an Olympic qualifier. And I think the world has been put on notice how much progress Philippine basketball has made. And again, I think even despite these last two losses tonight, we've shown that we can compete at this level. But again, the next step for us now is to find ways to win and win consistently. And I'm confident we can do that. It'll take a lot of hard work. But again, that's what us as Filipinos are. We're built for the work and we're built for the challenge. And I'm excited what lies ahead for the future of Philippine basketball.
Laban Pilipinas, puso!